Good morning. My name is Duanakulova Nurbanu Razgalievna. I am a teacher of Kazakh Classical Gymnasium number 45, named after Bauzhan Monoshova. The topic of the lesson is adventure. Today you will learn new words related to adventures, and you will listen to the dialogues about sportsmen, and you will practice speaking skills about adventures. In this task, students ask seen and see questions in groups. Students, look at the card. If you, when you will write the questions, seen and see questions, when you will write see questions, you can use this question words: how many, who, when, and where. When you will write see questions, you can use what do you think, what if, how would you feel if, why did, how did, what do you think, what might, what would happen if. You can use these questions. I will give you a yellow card and a pink card. In the yellow card you will write seen questions. In the pink card you will write see questions. Have you finished your writing?
Yes.
Please, if you are ready, please, who wants to throw? Please.
I want to throw at Mirla and
Who is Dean Potter? He's a crazy guy who likes highlighting. I want to throw to Adira.
Please answer the question.
what does Sam prefer to do? Sam would rather go extreme skiing than highlighting.
Please, next.
I want to throw to Antana.
Please, Adema.
Why do Sam and his friends think that people who go bungee jumping are crazy? Because they think that they're gonna be beat mad to do it. For example, jump from big mountains or big buildings with parachute.
Thanks. Next question. Aydana. Keep.
Who is the first person ever to do bungee jumping from a high drop? Dean Porter is the first person ever to do bungee jumping from a high drop.
I want to throw to Ryan.
Right, please.
Who loves to go climbing in the Himalayas? Sam loves to go climbing in the Himalayas.
Who wants? Is it true?
Yes, it's true.
Next.
I want to throw to Aya.
I am, please.
Did Sam climb Everest? He said it would be to climb to Everest.
Is it
it's-
true?
Yes, it's true.
Is it true?
Yes.
Next.
I want to throw to Timur.
Timur. Please.
Who prefers to go surfing in places with big waves? Maya Cabrera prefers to go surfing in places with big waves.
Is it true?
Yes.
Who wants to ask?
Me,
Please.
I want to throw to Alpine.
Please, outline.
Why would Sam's friends love to sail? Sam's friends would like to sail around the world like Australian girl Jessica Watson.
Thanks a lot.
I want to throw it to Jahira Dema.
Please, Adema.
What places have got big waves that professionals like surfing? These places is Britain and South Africa. Yes, it's. I want to throw to Mariti.
Who is Maya Cabrera? She is the world top female surfer.
Is it true? Yeah. Next.
I want to throw to Ansan.
each sportsman has own crashing or they will get hurt, but it's normal and we don't deny that sport has own integral part that helps to keep and support our health lifestyle.
After listening to the dialogue, students should find the differences between Dean Potter, Maya Gabeira, and Jessica Watson.
Dean Potter is an American man. He's nearly 40 and he prefers highlining, rock climbing, and he master of base jumping. Also, the similarity of Dean Potter and Jessica Watson is extreme sports. They all of them choose and prefer extreme sports.
Maya Gabeira. She's Brazilian, only 22 years old. She surfed the biggest wave. She's female like Jessica Watson and like Hayes.
Jessica Watson. She's an Australian girl, only 16 years old. She sailed around the world. She preferred sailing. And the similarity between Dean Potter and Jessica, they were famous around the world.
In the end of my lesson, I used Edward the bonus 6 thinking hats. Who will choose a white hat? The student will talk about facts. Who will choose the red hat? The student will talk about feelings. Who will choose the black hat? The student will talk about negatives. Who will talk a yellow hat? The student will talk about positives. Who will choose a green hat? The student will talk about new ideas. Who will choose blue hat? The student will talk about thinking. And the student should make a conclusion.
Extreme sports, sometimes called like action sports or adventure sports. During the 1990s, extreme sports became popular, and especially after the introduction in ESNN's extreme sports in extreme games. Extreme sports tend to be popular among age of 15 and 35. Height-based extreme sports. It's sky jumping and base jumping. Water-based sports include scuba diving, skydiving, and a lot of surfing games. The first Summer Games, Extreme Sport Games, held in 1995, and the Winter Sports held in 1996.
People give up their free time and risk their life across the globe, and the jumping circuits track hundreds of miles for a legal site. They might possibly parachute jumping, but skydiving and base jumping are totally separate animals. I think the base jumping is different for everyone, and it changes over time and with experience.
I think extreme sports are very dangerous for your life. For example, last year, more than 20 people have become victims of this sport, and more than 5 people have become disabled. And I also want to add that this sport is very expensive. For example, one medium equipment of base jumping costs $500, and one education from base jumping costs $2,000.
I'm interested in the psychological change that occur with people when they begin engage in the extreme sports. And the biggest positive change, in my opinion, is gaining self-confidence. After self-confidence, an increase self-else follows. And extreme sports are good for our body and our health. Big summer is going to jump, and don't forget to plan your day around it to get the most out of your vacations. Of course, if you're not fully trained to go eat at with your friend. Of course, if you're not fully ready to go out eat with your friends by yourselves, you can take tours, and just remember to double check all your chairs. Some places around the world are pretty sketchy with their special equipment. This is perfect activity for people who are novice and skilly in the sport.
I believe that all types of sport are useful for us, for our health as well. Although there are bad sides of sport, but we don't deny that sport has integral parts that helps to support our healthy lifestyle.
Thanks for your attention.